Hi everyone, it's Peter Schiff. This is Wednesday, March 31st, 2010. Well, I wanted to make a special appeal today for the Schiff for Senate campaign to raise some money. I'd like to see if we can raise $100,000 this day on Wednesday. This is the last fundraising day of the quarter. And I think I'm close to about $1.9 million in total money raised. I'm not really sure with all the offline donations that have come in. I know the counter on the website is still $1,850,000 or $60,000, but I think we have more checks that we haven't logged in there. But I know we're at least $100,000 short of hitting the $2 million goal, which I'd really like to hit by the end of the day today. This is the last day of the quarter, and this is the last quarter before the convention, the Republican convention in May. And I really want to show a strong quarter of fundraising to try to convince the delegates that I'm the candidate to back, because I really would like to try to win this convention outright, to come out of the convention with the nomination. I don't think that's impossible. And if I can do that, maybe we can avoid a primary. Maybe I can get the Republican Party in Connecticut to unite around me. I know I can win the race in the primary if we have one. All my internal polling shows that I win as long as I get my message out there. As long as I educate the voters as to who I am, they prefer me over the other candidates. So all I've got to do is convince the Republicans in the convention that I'm the best guy to beat Dick Blumenthal, and that the best way to do that is to avoid a expensive primary. And I think that based on the reception that I have when I go and speak at these town meetings, there is a lot of enthusiasm for my campaign. A lot of real hardcore, a lot of conservatives are very unhappy with the other two candidates, but they really believe in me. Their only concern is that, can I win? Do I have enough support? Well, I think I do, and I think all that's going to change with my commercials that are running. You know, I was at 9% in the polls before I ran my first radio ad. I've gone 2 weeks on the radio. I'm up on television now. My ads are running constantly here on television. They're going to run. I'm going to be running TV and radio ads all the way through the convention. My direct mail campaign is just going to start, so people are going to start to get mail from me. And I think I'm going to move up dramatically in the polls. I think there's no question that that's going to happen, and I'm going to do it without spending nearly as much money as one of my competitors. But the key is to really run these ads as often as possible. It's a very expensive market. I think the TV commercials are costing me $250,000 a week to run. The radio commercials are about $70,000 a week. We got to get them up there. And if I do that, I think I can get to 25, 30%, maybe even 35% by the convention. And then I can show the delegates that I am viable, that I do have support. Right now, people try to dismiss me as a long shot because I'm, the low man in the polls. Well, I'm the low man in the polls because nobody knew about me. And the last time they had a poll, I did get 9% support, but that was only with 15% of the electorate knowing who I am. But that shows when people know who I am, there's a 60% chance they'd support me. But I think that I would be getting more than 60% if I were higher in the polls. Because if you looked at my unfavorables versus favorables among Republicans, it was 10-1 favorable. That was more than twice as good as either of my opponents. So a lot of the Republicans that have a favorable opinion of me weren't necessarily supporting me because they didn't think I could win. Well, when they see me higher in the polls, they'll have more confidence that I can win, and they will support me. And I know a lot of you who are watching these videos have donated to my campaign in the past, and a lot of you have donated just as a gesture of support, thinking that I really can't win, that I'm too much of a long shot. That's not the case. And I think there's a lot of people out there who would like to donate to my campaign, but who haven't done so because they think their money is going to be wasted because they don't think I can win. I can assure everybody I can win. I know I can win this race. The key is to have enough funds to get my message out there, to run these TV and radio ads as often as possible, and to convince and to show the delegates that we have real support, that I have national support, that I can raise funds, that I have enough people who will support this campaign to make it viable, not just through the primary, but through the general election. And this is where everybody watching this video can help. Now is the time to donate. if you haven't donated because you don't think I can win, donate. I can win. If I get enough money, I know I can win. If you've already given some money, give some more. If you said, hey, I'm going to give more money, if it looks like he can win, as I said, my internal polling shows that I can win. The key is just to have enough money to run a viable campaign. And of course, I do have funds of my own that I am willing to contribute. I'm not going to front load with my own contributions and just throw money down the drain. But ultimately, once this race gets going, in the end, if it's close and I know I can win, I can add the necessary resources to put me over the top. I'm not going to commit millions of dollars out of my own account early in the game, but later in the race, when it's apparent that that money could mean the difference between failure and victory, then I'll put it up. But in the meantime, I need more support from the people around the country who share my views and support me. And I know on my YouTube channel where this is running, we have over 20,000 subscribers. If everybody could just donate, if everybody just donated $25, $50, $100, I'd raise millions. All I want to do is raise $100,000 by midnight tonight. Let's see if we can make that a goal, to get up to $100,000, to get that counter on the Shift for Senate website to read $2 million raised by midnight tonight. I challenge everybody watching this video, let's see if we can do it. And donate everything that you can, whatever you can. Forward this video. Encourage your friends to donate. It's a personal challenge. I will be very happy if I wake up in the morning and I see that we've reached that goal by midnight tonight. Consider it a belated birthday present to me and to this movement, to the Constitution, to freedom, to everything that we stand for. And oh, by the way, if you haven't seen my commercial yet, it's up on the Shift for Senate website, shiftforsenate.com. That's where you donate. You can watch that commercial. Also, I put up a 4-minute video that we took down. We're making it a little better. We're making some changes. It should be back up on YouTube, back up on my website later today or by tomorrow at the earliest. I think it really is a good video. Hopefully it can go viral like that initial Peter Schiff was right video, and we can get more support. Anyway, thanks in advance to everybody for helping us reach this goal, $2 million by the end of the day today, which would include about $100,000 raised on March 31st. Thanks, everybody, and I will be blogging again soon.